Now when we go on it, it's a lot of bragging, mean people, more showing off people, flexing, advertising. And at the same time, a fear of missing out when I try to deleting it. If you're feeling the same with me, why not try to deactivate your Instagram account? It's actually quite simple. Firstly, you go to your Instagram account, then you click on the three dots on the screen. You go to settings, you go to account, and you scroll down. Is this a deleting account right here? You click on it and you can select deactivate your account or delete your account. When you select deactivate your account, it will link you to a link, and I'll show it on the description to you to easier to follow. Now you scroll down to the bottom of the page and you choosing one reason that why you deactivating your account, and you enter your password. And finally you click on temporarily deactivate your account and you click yes. It's go ahead and it's deactivate your account. So what will happen if you deactivate your Instagram account? Your photos, your likes, your comments, and all the followers you make is be hidden from the Instagram. And because of that, they cannot unfollow you. So this is the main reason why some celebrities, they try to deactivate their account instead of deleting it, why they got some scandal. Some people would say this is a great try when trying to deactivate your Instagram account. It is hilarious when you're hearing a friend's story face to face instead of just watching it online, and imagine how fun life can be without the Instagram. If you can do only one step after deactivate your Instagram account, I would highly recommend you to disable the short feature on YouTube, and you can click right here to see how it works to enjoy more JOMO to your life.